Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a real account on FxPro. So first of all, if you are not here on FxPro, you need to come on FxPro and then log in into your account. When you log in, you are going to see this type of dashboard in front of you. Now, when you registered on FxPro for the very first time, by default, it is going to create a real account for you. But for any reason, if you are not able to find it over here, or if you want to create a new real account, you need to simply select the option of create account. Then you need to select the standard option or the pro option. So if you select the standard option, the minimum deposit is nothing, but if you select the FxPro Raw Plus option, then there is a minimum deposit of $200 is required. So after selecting your preferred option, you need to select the option of platform setting. So here you will be shown a bunch of different platforms like MT5, we have MT4, we also have CTrader. So you can also select the platform if you want. So currently I'm going to keep it as it is, then click on the option of continue. Now over here you need to select your account's currency. So USD will be selected here. You can also change the leverage. You can select the execution method, whether it is hedging or netting, and then simply select the option of create account in the bottom. Now, as soon as you do this, you are going to see that you have successfully created your real account over here. So you can add funds into the real account and then you can start trading. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.